These days, I have to remember to unplug. To plug into nature. Tap in. Go and be with the trees, the water. Get away from the microwaves. The radio waves. And just be with the waves. I forget how many ideas I get when I'm with nature. I sit with water and trees, plants, animals. The ideas just come to me. It's like I'm just sitting with the source, with the creator, with self. The ideas just flow. Everything comes together and makes sense. But so often I'm just so caught up in every day. Every day, everything moving. Traffic, people, shows, videos. Everything just crafted to entertain my intention. To keep me paying attention to this and that. To keep me invested and interested in everything else in other people's lives, other people's purposes and passions, other people's ideas. I appreciate other people's ideas and other people's walks. That's why they're here. But this is why I'm here. My passion and my purpose and my walk. How do I remember? How do I make sure I remember? With all the busyness and all the motion and everything going on all the time. I unplug. I disappear from the busyness, from the city, from the town, from the people, and go sit with nature, with source, the creator. I go sit and be one with the nature, our nature, my nature. I stop hearing voices and I just hear water. I just hear animals. I just hear soothing sounds. It's just as good as silence.